Hey everybody, welcome back to another Tuesday Tech Tip. Today I'm going to be taking you on an exploration of the site called Flippity.net. If you haven't heard of this before, basically what it does, it gives you a bunch of ideas, easy ways that you can turn Google spreadsheets and information that you put into a Google spreadsheet you can use that for another purpose. So for example here, you can make some flashcards or a quiz show, or a Flippity random name picker, which that's the one I'm going to show you today. I definitely would tell you to go here, check it out, look at everything that's available, but this is the one that I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on template, and it is going to say, do you want to make a copy of this Google Sheet? So I am going to make a copy. It is going directly inside of my Google Drive, so it's going to make a copy of it in there for me. And you can see over here on the left-hand side, there is a name column and a photo column. You could add those in. I'm not going to add the photos in. I'm just going to add the names of my students in. This is just a pre-populated list, but you would just go ahead and delete this and copy and paste your class list in there, or just list their first names. Either or is totally fine. After you do that, down here on the bottom it says get the link here. So I'm going to jump over here, and it says don't forget to publish your spreadsheet first. So what I'm going to do is go to File. I'm going to publish this to the web, and I'm going to publish again. So you might, I guess I would just suggest maybe just putting in first names for this. That would be perfectly fine. All right, so now that that's published, I am going to click on the link that is automatically, that is pre-populated for me. So that's going to be in there when you go to this. I'm going to click on that. And here is my random name picker. So you can see right here all of the names that I put in my spreadsheet. I can click on here, and it is going to randomly pick the name. And there's a bunch of other options up here as well. So you can do single name. So it is going to show here. Just a random name, and it is going to go in that order. And then I can do a lineup. The lineup is actually pretty cool because I can have the kids are going to be able to see who is coming up next. So if you're looking to do some sort of activity in the class where you're asking a bunch of kids questions, they would know that they're coming up next. I know that's not for every situation in the classroom, but I could see that coming in handy for some activities that we do. It automatically groups kids in 2s, 3s, 4s, or 5s, and it does show teams as well. So it's automatically choosing that. You can randomize it too. So if you want to reshuffle those names, you can do that. And also a seating chart if you want that as well. There's some other options in there too. So really cool idea. The website once again is called Flippity.net. I would highly suggest taking a look at some of the other options in here. But all of them have one thing in common, and that is that you would plug the information into a Google Sheet, and then you would be able to use the full functionality of Flippity.net. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I will see you next Tuesday. Thanks.